Hey my vintage paper lovers, welcome to Steph's Design Space where the past and present meet in journal form. Today I'm doing a flip through of a custom journal. So I had someone request a journal and she had a lot of things she wanted in there. So here we go. This is the cover. And you already saw the video where I put the cover together. She loves squirrels and that is why that is on the front. She also wanted a tea party look, a coquet look, among other things. She also wanted there to be faith-based items in there. So this is the spine. This is the charm. We got a little teapot, teacup, saucer, and a charm that says, "It is well with my soul." She wanted a lot of lace. I'm gonna stick that up at the top. And this is the front. This is a paperclip bookmark. It is something I came up with like off the cuff. I had one of the lace flowers that I make, the safety pin with the 3 hooks on it. So we have the cross, the other teacup, and the saucer, and a key. She wanted a key in there. So this is her little bookmark that she can put on whatever page that she wants. And that just goes down like that. Next page, we have pockets and lace, lots of journaling space, lots of hidden journaling space, all throughout. Flip out postcard, a little letter that is sealed with a wax seal. Again, lots of journaling space. This is a little pocket. This is a, come on. I may have to re-glue that. Okay, no, it's on there right. I was doing the wrong thing. So this is just a little envelope that you can put stuff in. Here we have, this flips out. So you just take off the little paper clip. This flips out for journaling space. I just put the paper clip on it when it looks really cute, and 2, it kind of keeps it down. And then we have just a simple journal card back there. This is a vintage card that I had in my stash. This is a little lace pocket with some stuff in it. This is a belly band, and I don't know if you can see, but I did a butterfly cutout and then put lace behind it. So we have that belly band. This is a tag that you can open up and journal on. We have a Be Still and Know charm on the little tiny cute little paper clip. Come on, behave. All right, and this is gonna go back in here. So cute. This is a little tab, just an indicator to know that this opens up a ton of journaling space, ledger paper. She also wanted some strawberries, so I have a card that has some strawberries. Vintage items. This is Jesus and the Little Children, and this is journaling space. This is the waterfall, pull down waterfall. You can journal, it wants to keep sliding, all on the back of it, on all of those cards. So we have that. She commissioned this for her birthday, so I found this in some of my old Victorian stuff. It does say on your birthday, so I put that in there. We have a corner tuck with a pocket, so I have stuff in here. Just kind of put some die cuts on there. This is just a page edge. I found a little praying hands book, a little envelope, and lace, and that is a pocket. We can journal here, journal. This is the center page, and I never decorate those, but her squirrel is there. She loves squirrels, so that is there. This page opens up and it is all kinds of wonderful goodies in here. So there's all kinds of things. I incorporated the key and the lock in that. We have another letter that is sealed with a wax seal. This is a hidden paper clip that I created, and the little butterfly cutout from that. And then this is just a journal card postcard. I'm trying to be careful because I think it might still be a wee bit damp, because I used stickles and liquid pearl on that. We have a window, and I cut out the things and put lace behind it, so you can see that with a journal card. Just a little tuck. Another little journal space. This is a little hidden space, so that comes out. And there's various different papers in there. And the key is always trying to get it back in, all right? It's like a little hidden spot. There we go. More lace. And then this is a belly band. So this is a journal card. And each one of these envelopes does open, and each one does have a little card that you can journal on. So each one opens. And I made these from my template 2.0 that are on the website. This is a pocket. And that is it. So this is the journal that Jordan commissioned. So thank you, Jordan. And I'm going to tie it back up. I do commission journals. If that is something you're interested in, just message me and we can have a conversation. But y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. Tell me what you think about this journal. And yeah, until next time, y'all have a blessed day. Bye.